Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering off or unplugging the keyboard to prevent accidental inputs. Next, position the keyboard flat and stable. Place a shallow tray or cloth to catch keys. Take a moment to inspect the keycap and switch type. Cherry MX stems look different than scissor clips. This matters because the removal angle and force vary. Once done, align the key puller over the cap so you're ready to engage the tool safely and evenly. You place the key puller centered and hook both sides of the cap. This balances pressure. Then you pull straight up with a steady, even motion, short, firm tugs instead of jerks, because twisting can break stems. For larger keys like spacebar or enter, use the puller to lift one side slightly, then unclip the stabilizer wire first. That prevents bending the caps or damaging metal clips. Make sure to set each removed cap in order so reassembly is straightforward. After removal, clean switches with compressed air and gently wash keycaps in mild soapy water. Dry completely. To reinstall, align the cap stem with the switch and press straight down until you hear or feel a click. Do one key at a time to confirm travel. If a key feels sticky or won't seat, make sure the stabilizer wire is correctly hooked and that no debris sits under the stem. If problems persist, swap with a neighboring cap to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.